Hello students, good afternoon to everyone. Myself Mrs. Priya Lad from Shet Vidya Mandir English High School, Maharashtra Board, Vasai East. First, I welcome to all of you in Standard 7th. Students, this is your Sanskrit textbook, Sugam Sanskritam Part 1, which is published by Madhuban Publication. In this academic year, you make a single line 100 pages notebook for Sanskrit subject. Now we are turned towards the lesson. Today we are going to learn lesson number 1, Prathamah Patah, Aham, Vayam, Tvam, Yuyam. Aham means I. Vayam means we all. Tvam means you. And Yuyam means you all. These all are pronouns. Okay children, in standard 6th already we have learned this pronoun. When we see aham as a subject, then use their verb asmi. And for the basic root we join the ami. And for the subject tvam, we use verb asi. Also basic root adding with si. Pronoun aham and tvam, these are the singular subjects. Okay. The next plural subjects are vayam and yuyam. When we see vayam as a subject, then we use verb smaha. Or for the basic root, we adding the amaha. And when we see the subject yuyam, then we use verb stha. And join the stha for the basic root. For the example, I show here root patha, to read. Aham pathami, tvam pathasi, vayam pathamah, and yuyam pathatha. Again, I remember you in the way of fill-ups. When we see the basic root in the bracket, then we fill with basic root adding with the suffixes. But when they do not show any root, then we write their basic verbs. Okay, clear? So don't forget by heart this sentence. Okay, now we turn towards our lesson. In this lesson also we see the correlation between the subject and verb. So let us start our lesson with translation. First we see the two girls are chatting, Garima and Ananya. So Garima said, Aham Garima, I am a Garima. Tvam ka asi? He asks question to Ananya, who are you? Ananya say, Aham Ananya asmi, I am Ananya. Students see here aham as a subject, then here fill the asmi as a verb. And tvam as a subject, then fill the asi as a verb. Then Garima said, Tvam kim karoshi? She asks questions. What are you doing? Ananya said, Aham kridami. I am playing. Kim tvam api kridasi? Are you playing? Garima said, Am. Am means yes. Yes. Aham api kridami. I am also playing. Children, here also we see they show aham as a subject, then join suffix ami to the basic root krida. So aham kridami. And for the tvam as a subject, they join the si to the basic root. Krida plus si, kridasi. Okay, got it? The next conversation between teacher and students. Teacher say, Aham shikshakah asmi. I am a teacher. Tvam chhatrah asi. You are student. Vayam shikshakaha smah. We all are teachers. यूयं छात्राः स्थ. You all are students. Okay. Now tell me, what is the difference between these two conversation? Yeah, correct. The first conversation as in singular form and the second one as a plural form. So here we see singular sentence change into plural as well as plural sentence change into singular. Aham shikshaka asmi. Aham change in vayam. Shikshakah change into shikshakaha and asmi change in smah. Similarly, tvam chhatrah asi. Tvam change into yuyam. Chhatrah chhatraha. Asi change into stha. Okay, next conversation between balakaha means boys and yuvakaha means young men. Balakaha say, Vayam balakaha smaha. We all are boys. Yuyam yuvakaha stha. You all are young men. Then yuvakaha says, Vayam pathamaha. We all are reading. Yuyam khelatha. You all are playing. Students, what we find out here? Correct. They use verb smaha with vayam and stha with yuyam. Correct? And in second conversation, they use amaha with basic root for the vayam. Okay, like patha plus amaha pathamaha. Vayam pathamaha. And suffix tha adding with the basic root khela. Khela plus tha. Khelatha for the subject yuyam. Okay. Now the next one, conversation between sparrows. Yuyam chatakaha stha. You all are sparrows. Yuyam kujatha. Kuja means chirping. Yuyam kujatha. You all are chirping. Vayam api chatakaha smaha. We all are sparrows. Vayam api kujamaha. Api means also. We all are also chirping. And the last conversation between the students. The first say, Vayam mitrani smaha. We all are friends. Vayam dhavamaha. We all are running. Yuyam api mitrani stha. You all are also friends. Yuyam na dhavatha. You all are not running. Yuyam tishthatha. Tishtha means to sit. You all are sitting. Okay children, here we completed our first lesson. Now we see the summary. What we know from this lesson? Aham as a subject, then we use asmi verb or ami adding with the basic root. Tvam as a subject, then we use asi and si adding with basic root. Then Vayam as a subject, then we use smaha verb and amaha adding with the basic root. As well as for yuyam, we use stha verb and tha adding with the basic root. Now we turn towards the exercise. First, here they show the glossary, the meaning of the various words. Ucharanam kuruta artham cha smarata. Read aloud and learn the meanings. Next, Pathabodaha, question number 1. Uchchehi pathata likhata cha. Read and write. Means rewrite this all sentence here. Okay students, repeat with me. Aham asmi. Tvam asi. Vayam smaha. Yuyam stha. Vayam balakaha smaha. Yuyam kanyaha स्थ वयं चटकाः स्मः यूयं शुकाः स्थ वयं रक्षामः यूयं रक्षथ वयं सैनिकाः स्मः यूयं सैनिकाः स्थ. Very good. Now the second question, रिक्तस्थानानि पूरयत, filling the blanks. Here they show first column as a singular sentences. We change it into the plural sentence. Okay, fill it properly. The next question number 3, वाक्यानि लिखत पठत च. Read and write the sentences. Here we see the 3 columns. The first as a pronoun subject, second the normal subjects, and third as a verb. We joined the 3 columns properly. Okay, vayam and yuyam are the plural subject, so we use here shikshakaha or arakshakaha. And from the third column we use smaha for vayam and stha for yuyam. The next aham and tvam subjects are singular form, so for that we use samasevika or kanya from the second column. And from the third column, verb asmi for aham and asi for tvam. Now we see the questions related with the grammar part. Vyakaran bodha. First, dhatuhu kah, write the root. And the second one, vakyani likhata, write the sentences. These are very simple questions they ask. You solve it properly. Okay children, here we completed our exercise Bhashabhyasah. Now copy down glossary in your notebook, and about question and answer, if you have a textbook, then you fill all the questions in textbook only. But if you don't have, then please copyright all the questions with answer in your notebook and revise this topic properly. Thank you.